I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to cook a delicious center-cut sirloin steak. First, select a quality steak, ideally 1½ inches thick. Pat it completely dry with paper towels. This is crucial for achieving that perfect crust. Next, season both sides generously with coarse salt and freshly ground black pepper. Let your steak rest at room temperature for about 30 minutes before it hits the pan. This simple preparation ensures even cooking and maximum flavor. Now let's get that incredible sear. Place a heavy-bottomed skillet, preferably cast iron, over medium-high heat until it's smoking hot. Add about 1 tablespoon of a high smoke point oil, like canola or grapeseed. Carefully lay your seasoned steak into the hot pan. Sear it for 2 to 3 minutes on each side. You're looking for a beautiful, deep brown crust to develop, locking in all those wonderful juices. After searing, reduce the heat to medium-low. Add 2 tablespoons of butter, a few cloves of crushed garlic, and some fresh herbs like thyme or rosemary to the pan. Tilt the pan and continuously baste the steak with this aromatic butter for 2 to 4 minutes. Cook until your desired doneness. For a perfect medium rare, aim for an internal temperature of 130 to 135 degrees Fahrenheit. Then, transfer it to a cutting board and let it rest for 5 to 10 minutes. Finally, it's time to slice and serve your perfectly cooked sirloin. The most important tip here is to always slice against the grain. This shortens the muscle fibers, making each bite incredibly tender. Use a sharp knife to cut the steak into beautiful ½ inch thick slices. Arrange them on a warm plate and serve immediately. A final sprinkle of flaky sea salt and some fresh parsley can elevate this simple, delicious meal even further. Enjoy!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.